kindergarten, it's Miss Corey, and we have made it to our very last lesson about coins and money. We've been learning so much these last 2 weeks all about our coins and are ready to finish it up. So let's review our coins. Here we go. Penny, worth 1 cent. Nickel, worth 5 cents. Dime, worth 10 cents. Quarter, worth 25 cents. Let's say our poems one last time. Penny, penny, easily spent. Copper brown and worth 1 cent. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5, I know that. Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I'm told. Okay, so those were our poems one last time. Okay, let's review again. Which coin is which? Which one is this? Dime. Very good. How much is it worth? 10 cents. Very good. What coin is this? The quarter. Very good. How much is it worth? 25 cents. Great job. Which one is this? The penny. Great job. And how much is it worth? 1 cent. Great job. What coin is this? The nickel. And how much is it worth? 5 cents. Great job. What coin is this? The quarter. And how much is it worth? 25 cents. What coin is this? Yeah, the penny. And how much is it worth? 1 cent. What coin is this? The dime. And how much is it worth? 10 cents. And then finally, what coin is this? The nickel. And how much is it worth? 5 cents. Great job. So we're going to learn the game in just a second, but I want to review with you your 2 other learning activities you can do today. Your first learning activity you can do again today is the cut and paste. Again, you're going to cut the pieces out and glue the coins with the value that they go to, okay? Your other activity you can do again is the color. This time, instead of coloring by the coin, it's by the value. So it has the value up top, 25 cents. So I colored my quarter 25 cents. 10 cents is my dime, so I colored my dime 10 cents. Green, and quarter was blue. My nickel is 5 cents in yellow, so I colored that nickel yellow because it's 5 cents. And then my penny is 1 cent and red, so I colored that red. Okay, so just like yesterday, same 2 worksheets. You can choose which one you want to do. The other activity that some of you have already probably been playing this week is our board game, but we're going to get a chance to play all together today. Okay, so I'm going to first, what you need is 1 dice, okay? 1 dice and 1 or 2 counters, maybe more if you're playing with more than 1 person. You can play this game by yourself or you can play it with a family member. There are 2 board games and we'll get to talk about both of those board games, okay? So I'm gonna bring this down and we're gonna start to play, okay? So there's the word start right here and we'll put our 2 pieces right here. And let me go get Mabel. Mabel wants to play with this. Okay, so Mabel is here to play with us, okay? So Mabel's gonna go first. She rolled her dice. Oh, let's not get a 0. That's 0 good. And she got a 1. So she's the butterfly and she's gonna move to the 1. Right there is the picture of the penny and it's worth 1 cent. So when she lands on it, she's gonna say penny, 1 cent. Okay, now it's Miss Corey's turn. Oh, I got a 3. So I'm gonna move 3. 1, 2, 3. That's also the penny. And it's worth 1 cent. Mabel's turn 1. That's the nickel and it's worth 5 cents. That's the nickel and it's worth 5 cents. That's the quarter and it's worth 25 cents. 1, 2, 3. that's the dime, and it's worth 10 cents. 1, 2, that's also the dime, and it's worth 10 cents. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's the dime, and it's worth 10 cents. Okay, so I didn't actually land on it, but on this board it does have some spaces. Hop back 2 spaces, fly forward 2 spaces, fly forward 2 spaces, and hop back 2 spaces. So if you land on one of those, you have to follow those instructions. The other board game looks exactly the same, but it's a little different because it has some of those values already written in it. So if we were to play it, you would, if you landed on a value, you would say what coin that is. So I'm gonna go first. I got a 3, 1, 2, 3. $0.10 is 10, so 10 cents. 10 cents is the dime. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the quarter, worth 25 cents. 1, that's the quarter, worth 25 cents. 1. $0.01, that's 1 cent. 1 cent is the penny. 2, 1, 2, that's the nickel, 5 cents. Okay, so for this game, you get to have fun by really talking about those coins and what their values are. I hope you've been playing it the last few days, but I wanted to get a chance to play it with you as well. Obviously, you go till it finishes. So that is all about our coins. We're all done. We know our 4 coins. We know how much they're worth. We know how to count, buy our coins, and we've had so much fun learning all about our coins. Remember, even after today, to keep practicing your coins, because you never know when Miss Corey's gonna ask you what coin is what and what's the value of the coin, if you can count your coins. Thanks so much for working so hard on coins. Give a big celebration. You did it. You learned your coins. Great job. I'll see you next week with a brand new topic for math.